Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley. If you already know, if you are new to my channel, how are you? If you haven't done so, please like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that notification button so you will know when all my videos are uploaded. And if you are a subscriber, I love you guys. Finally here with our fourth video makeup tutorial, you guys. I'm going to show you all how I simply get this beautiful but basic look. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. So you guys, I want to first start out with moisturizing my face with my Pond's moisturizer. Usually in this case, I will use a makeup wipe to remove any oil from my skin. But since I had just got out the shower, I just decided to dab a little bit of moisturizer on my face. So right now I'm just going to rub it in, make sure I'm getting in all them areas. You know, girl. And then we're going to go into me using my Maybelline Master Prime. I use this as a base between my skin and the makeup. I do not suggest putting makeup directly onto your skin just because makeup has a lot of chemicals in it. And once again, we want our skin to be flawless. So use that primer, sis. Use the primer. It's a base between your skin and the makeup. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use that good old petroleum jelly for them lips, child. You know, just for moisturize my lips before I apply any lip gloss during the duration of me applying my makeup. So next, you guys, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Normal to Dry Foundation. What I like to use best is to pour just a little bit onto the back of my hand and then use a makeup brush to gently apply it to my face. So after I apply the makeup to my entire face, I'm going to simply go ahead and grab my wonderful beauty blender. Oh, guys, I've been using it for years. Don't know where I got it from. I kind of forgot. But I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend in the makeup. Now, when you're doing this part, you want to actually, kind of take your time, because what you're doing is you're literally kind of dabbing the makeup into your skin is going to give you that smooth, flawless look. And who doesn't want that? I mean, come on. So when I'm done using the beauty blender to blend in my makeup, I like to dab just a little bit of my foundation onto the beauty blender, just because with a makeup brush, it doesn't really, lay out the foundation like I want it to. versus me using a beauty blender. So I just apply a little bit of foundation onto there, then I use it under my eyes, and then as you can see here, I'm just, you know, smoothly dabbing it under my eyes, trying to have them bags, y'all, trying to have them bags. Now, guys, that we're done blending for the gods, I have to go ahead and spray on my face my Revlon Photoready Prep Set Refresh Spray. So after I'm done applying my setting spray, I want to go ahead and go in with my Rimmel London ScandalEyes Volume on Demand Mascara. I know y'all probably like, girl, why you not using fake eyelashes? So you guys, side note, I do not know how to put on eyelashes yet. Your girl's going to learn for you, but I haven't accomplished that yet. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and apply that mascara to my natural lashes. Sorry about that, guys. My phone ended up going through some storage error issues. But now that we're done applying the mascara to my eyelashes, I'm going to go ahead and use my Rue Beauty Eyeshadow Nude Palette. I'm going to use this color here and that color there. Mix those on together and we're going to see what we get. So now I'm gonna go in and add in this, my bad, you guys. Let me lift it up a little bit. Add in this darker color shade, to the top of my eyes just to give it a transition. So, you know, going from dark to light. Yeah, girl, smooth that thing in. So now that we're done applying a little color to my beautiful eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. Liquid Eyeliner to the lid of my eyes. But since I need to be in the mirror to do this, I'm going to actually do this part off camera. I'm back, guys. Do you see the eyeliner? Okay, girl, you did that. So now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and move on to adding a little shimmer in the creases of my eyes. It's just to give it a little pop. Just a little pop, sis. So now I'm going to go ahead and add, you know, a little bit of highlight to the face. I'm going to add it to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. I'm going to add it to my chin as well as those cheekbones, baby. So when my highlight's not acting the way I want it, so I just go in with my makeup brush just to wipe it just a little bit, just to give it that look that I'm going for. So that's exactly what I'm just going to do right now, just to make sure that the highlight is looking properly. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and apply that CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip gloss to those lips. Yes, honey. Now, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and with a second coat, and that will be my Rimmel London Stay Glossy lip gloss. This one has a little more of a thickness to it that I like, so I don't really apply a lot of this. So now, you guys, I'm going to go under this cabinet and look for these Q-tips. I'm actually going to use the Q-tip, just dab a little water on there, and I'm going to actually use it to remove some of the makeup that got onto my nose ring while I was applying it to my face. So, yeah. So, and now we're done. Yes, hot mama, you are looking fabulous. Face is minorly beat for the gods. Hair looking good. Eyes look good. Skin definitely looks good. Yes, girl, you show them. I'm done gassing myself up at this point, you guys, but I mean, I can't lie. A girl looks good. But I want to thank you all for tuning into my video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.